When life throw you stone, no, carry and build house. If life pour you water, carry and bath clean. There's no problem in this world without a solution. There is no pain in this world without an inspired time. Don't cry now, I beg you, no cry now. Everything's gonna be fine. Just believe in yourself.
I heard she sold her child. You heard me? I heard she sold her child, and for a very good amount. Why do you look confounded if what you told me is true? Yes, if I remember correctly, you said you did not father the child. And you did not even know who fathered the child. Or do you? Is it yours? Or his? The prince? Right. Maybe it's one of those numerous men who come to pay.
I heard. I'm sorry. But why did you do it? I mean, if you needed anything, why didn't you just ask me? Why didn't you ask the king to inform me? I know I don't have much, but I would have worked it out. Oma, please, don't be angry with me. I had to do what I had to do. I told you. If it's consolation, I am already paying the price. I mean, it's bad enough that I'm stuck with a woman I don't love. It's a living hell for me already. Why did you let him go?
I was told they were going to lock them up. I couldn't let that happen. And the king, he had always wanted a child ever since I had him. And when this happened, he was the only one who could help with the case. He was going to take him one way or the other. I love him. I miss him. But he took him away from me. And now there's nothing more to live for.
It's alright. I am sorry I have not been around you recently. But I promise you, I'll always check on you from time to time. I know it's late, but I will manage.
We will not be here for long. Look, I'll have this 100,000 naira every month, as long as the child remains with him.
When life throw you stone, no, carry and build house. If life pour you water, carry and bath clean. There's no problem in this world without a solution. There is no pain in this world without an inspired time. Don't cry now, I beg you, don't cry now. Everything's gonna be fine. Just believe in yourself. I must relate.
Okay, see.
I must relate. That the tears of this innocent child wipe away every pain and misery from the places of
It's called staff. Say staff. Staff? Staff. Staff. When you grow up as a big boy, you have this. That's your prince.
Your Highness, it's time for the young prince to have his bath.
Oh, okay. The young prince. You go with the nanny to take a bath, okay? Say good night, Grandpa. Good night. Okay, go. Say good night, Grandpa. Love you. Your Highness, it's the bishop. Oh, okay. Hello, His Eminence. Oh, you can say that again. Yes.
Let the rain from heaven wash away every tears and suffering.
Grandpa, when is my dad coming back?
Oh, very soon.
You like him?
No, your mother is in heaven.
When am I going to see?
You will not see her now. Anybody going to heaven has to die first. And I don't want you to die now. You're going to live for a very long, long time. Okay, okay. You make a call, you take your pictures.
Let the tears of this innocent child wipe away every pain and misery from the places of opulence to the dwellings and slums. By the tears of all misery, tears of all misery, tears of all misery, tears of all misery.
Greetings, my princess.
How may I help you?
My princess, I brought you fresh toys.
Drop it there.
Thank you. My princess, lunch should be ready in an hour. But before then, is there something you would like me to do for you? My
Hold on. Oh, yeah. Ooh, na, 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 na. Na, 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 na. shall be one less mouth to feed. Whenever rich man finds
Not said any words since she came back.
And what do you want me to talk about? Father? Oh, you must forgive me, Father, for I have lost touch with your type of conversation, having lived in the convent for 5 years. Father, we can discuss at length the Bible, from Genesis to Revelation. Oh, Songs of Solomon. Let him kiss me with the kisses of his mouth, for his love is better than wine. By night, on my bed, I sought him whom my soul loveth. I sought him. My two breasts are like
hold on.
Grandpa said you're my auntie.
Yes, I am.
Grandpa said my mom is in heaven.
If heaven is a fiery pit below, and little creatures running around with horns.
Grandpa said heaven is up in the sky.
What does Grandpa know? He's an old man.
And the poor could ride the horse to the hills, to every wishes of his heart. Na, 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 na.
What are you doing here? It's so late.
I want to talk to you. Right now at this point, I am going mad.
Why did you have to come out this late in the night?
Because I wanted to hold you. I want to feel your warmth.
No. No. I can't do this anymore. Sit with you. You know the stories going about. You know what they say about me. That I'm a whore. Feel my warmth and have another child. I would kill myself if that happens.
Mama, I love you. I love you with every fiber in me. I love you with every breath in my body. Nobody knows more than me about the suffering you've been through. I will not hurt you. I just want to be near you, hold you, look into your eyes, tell you about my day. That's the only way I can pull through. I am desperate. I have no happiness in my home. I mean, now it's even worse. Now that she's desperately in need of a child. But I can't even see myself touching her or going any close to her. And she's fighting me for it. Mama, please. I don't know what will happen if you don't allow me to see you anymore. I just want to be near you. Every now and then. Please. I promise you I won't hurt you. I have to be on my way now. Yes, I'll get into another trouble. Good night, my love.
And where in God's name are you coming from?
It's fine, oh. You can play deaf all you want. But I will have you know that there is no way I will be in this house and have you go out whenever you like and come back when you like. No! That stops now, like today. Do you hear me? How irresponsible. So shameless. What kind of a married man comes home whenever he likes? Huh. Really? Now this is it. Onochie, I know when I'm being taken for granted. And right this minute, I refuse to be taken for granted. At least not anymore. Tell me of a responsible young man who comes home to his wife by this time of the night. Tell me, what is wrong with you? What have I even done to you? Right. I am talking to you. Have the balls to tell me that you went to see her. You were with your whore. Tell me, I can take it. I can take anything.
Continue with this your heart. I will never hold your wife.
So this is it.
Do you want anything?
Yes, actually. I want something. I want my husband back. And I'm here to warn you to stay away from him. By the way, where is he? Where are you hiding him?
Onochie is not here.
Oh, you even refer to him as Onochie now. You liar.
I'm not lying. He's not here. You can go look for yourself.
Go home.
And why should I?
Listen, remember what I told you last night. I will make sure I do it, and I will do it to the very last. I am warning you for the last time. Go home. I'm sorry. I promise you it will not happen again.
What are you going to do to her? Please don't touch her. She's not wrong. It will only make things worse if you do.
Don't worry. I won't touch her.
I'm a city late. I'm a city one year man. Pique busy now. Chica come out.
We saw him! We saw him! Said Chizona at the palace company, he was playing.
Oh. He climbed the wall at the far end of the palace.
It was not too high so we could see him clearly.
How long have you been watching him? 3 weeks now. Aku went with me today. He's always playing in the compound. Come on.
When life throw you stone, no, carry and build house. If life pour you water, carry and bath clean. There's no problem in this world without a solution. There is no pain in this world without an inspired time. Don't cry now. I beg you, don't cry now. Everything's gonna be fine. Just believe in yourself. I must relate. I must relate. Whatever you're miserable. Let the tears of this innocent child wipe away every pain and misery from the places of opulence to the dwellings and slums. By the tears of all misery, tears of all misery, tears of all misery, tears of all misery. All right.
You're welcome, my friends. Yeah, how are you? Where's my father? He is in his room with young friends. Young friends? Yes. Should I go home?
Never mind. I'm seeing my stuff. Let me get to my room first. Okay.
To fulfill your destiny.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, let's start it again. You're faster than me. Okay, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, you got that before me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh. Let's go. Father, I didn't know you were coming back. And no one told me you were here. But I'm fine, you can see. And you?
Yeah, I'm okay, fine. I take it that you're the young prince.
Yes, he is.
What's your name?
Derek.
Right there.
Nice to meet you.
Okay, Father, I'll help you.
Alright. I'll be with you shortly.
Okay. Bye, Derek.
So see you later.
By the tears of all misery, tears of all misery, tears of all misery.
Okay? We'll look at the weddings and see how heavy it is. And That's Prince Derek. That's great. All right. Ezugo, there's something you should know right away. That child is not Adugo's child, but yours. He is your son. That child was living under some terrible conditions. Squalor and poverty was the order of the day. And I couldn't bear the thought of him growing up under such conditions. But one thing I did was to make sure that the child was yours before taking any step. So he's your son. You don't have anything to say?
Ezuka! OMG! Bro!
How are you?
How have you been?
Well, I'm fine. How are you,
Bro,
sister?
I am fine.
Yeah, I can see that.
Oh, I've been alive. Have you seen him?
Oh.
The young prince.
Oh, I do go all this while and you still haven't changed.
Oh, come on, bro. How can Princess Adugo change? I never change. Bro, you know what? Let's get out of here. Let's go talk.
I'm not talking like that.
Oh, forget this old man. Let's go. Daddy, later. Let's go. Come here. Please, it's an old man here.
We'll have a discussion much later.
Hold on. Oh yeah. Ooh, na, 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 na. Na, 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 na. There shall be one less mouth to feed. When every rich man finds a friendship with the poor, and the poor could ride the horse to the hills, to every wishes of his heart. Na, 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 na. There shall be one less mouth to feed. When the field is level for everyone to till, and the labor through the time and the seasons bears a fruit for every laborer. So let's fix this broken world. Let's heal this open world. Putting love in every heart. Building life in every home. Let's go. Let's fix this broken system.
Ezugo, I want you to legalize your claim over this child by recognizing him as your heir.
And what happens when I marry, Father? Do you think any woman will accept her son play second fiddle to an illegitimate child?
Ezugo, he is your son.
Let's heal this sickening world. We can make it a better place for every man to have a chance.
You have been more of an introvert since you returned. Is it intentional?
I have reverted to my status.
Well, I've been meaning to talk to you.
About what?
The child. Your son.
What about the child?
What is wrong with you? This is something you have to accept whether you like it or not. Look, that child will take place as your heir. I am not usually the person that supports father, but here we are.
Well, sorry to disappoint you, father.
When life throw you stone, no, carry and build house. If life pour you water, carry and bath clean. There's no problem in this world without a solution.
Hey, what are you doing here?
Hey, please. I'm deeply sorry for what happened on that day. Please, forgive me. If you care so much about the child that you have to climb the fence, then why did you let him go? Why did you sell him?
I didn't sell him.
I was told you sold him.
That's not true.
But you receive 100,000 naira every month. Am I correct?
Yes, but I didn't sell him. If that's what he told you, he lied.
So why did you let him go?
It was because of my sister. She stole a piece of necklace. They were going to lock her up. He was the only one who could help with the case. But he wouldn't do it unless I gave him the child. He had always wanted him ever since he was born. But I refused. I took the money, but then I returned it.
For a piece of necklace? I mean, it's been 5 years now. It's been a long time. Why do you want him back?
He's mine. He's the only thing I have that is truly mine.
Please stop. Something is bothering me, Father.
What?
The girl and her child. Has she tried to see him?
Of course not.
But you told me you pay her monthly. How?
What?
How does she get her money?
I thought we discussed this before, didn't we? Why are you bothering me with all these questions? And why this sudden interest in the girl?
Because she's the mother of the child, isn't she?
No one is arguing that, at least not me.
So I ask again, how does she get her money?
DK takes the money to her in a hut at the outskirts of the village.
Excuse me? In a hut? Outskirts of the village? What happens to her monthly allowance? I mean, wouldn't that get a comfortable accommodation somewhere? Why in a hut?
Well, you know these people are like rats. They love to stick to their holes.
Oh, I see. For a rat, I must say, she does it really well. Father.
I need to speak to you. Please give me 1 minute. Please, don't blank me off. It's important. I won't leave here until I've spoken to you. It's about the child. Can you please step out and have a seat? Let's have heart-to-heart conversation.
Do you want your child back?
You don't mean that? He won't let you give him back to me?
He has no rights over you. I should be the one to decide what happens to him from today onwards.
Will you really give him back to me?
Of course. But on one condition. He won't be living here with you. I will have to get a comfortable accommodation for both of you. And he will be addressed as Prince Ezugo Derek Omenka Jr. That will be his name.
Why are you doing this?
I want to make up for the wrongs I did to you. Before going back to London.
But the king, he has grown very fond of the child. He won't let you give him back to me.
Yeah.
Honestly, I wasn't expecting you.
Who is he?
He's the prince.
What?
What are you doing with him?
It's alright. I have to tell you something. He said he wants to give me the child back.
Why?
He's sorry. I was scared of him at first, but he's not the devil I think he is. He's just like everyone else.
No, he's not. And you know it.
Listen, he cannot give you that child if he's not expecting something from you.
What can he possibly want from me that would make him want to give me the child back?
Oma, I don't know. But this man, what he did before, he can do it again. I am just telling you, so you have to be very careful. Anyway, I'll be on my way.
Is everything alright? He seems to be overprotective of you.
He's always been there for all of us.
I am sorry for my outburst yesterday. It's just that I don't trust the motive. In fact, I don't trust any of them. I am worried. Oma, why don't you just move? I can help you arrange for a place in any of these neighboring villages.
We might actually be moving when I have the child. The prince, he says he will move us into the city. The child cannot stay here.
And he's paying for everything.
I can't pay for it, can I?
Hey, I am warning you. Men like him will not promise houses to people like you unless they want something.
He's just trying to pay for what he did.
And you believe him. You want to live here. Let me be the one to do it for you.
Not when I'll have my child.
Let the rain from heaven wash away every tear and suffering.
You're not dressed.
Tears and suffering.
I don't feel like going, Father.
What do you mean you're not going? Today is opening ceremony, proclaiming the hunting games festival.
Exactly.
Everybody will want to see you there.
Well, that would be interesting, but to be honest, I don't feel like going.
What is wrong with you, bro? You have something to become a board. You should go back to London.
Oh, well, very soon I will be going back to London.
You know, you're really surprised. During your time away, you could go be with him. Okay, fine.
Of course, I will even take him out for a walk.
Ah, you should do that. Meanwhile, I have to go swag out. I need to go show them what I've got. I need to go slay at that festival.
Have fun, sister.
I'll take good care of you. Don't look for trouble.
See you when I see you.
Okay.
Let the rain from heaven wash away every tears and suffering. Tears and suffering. Oh yeah. I must relate. I must let the tears of this innocent child wipe away every pain and misery from the places of opulence to the dwellings and slums by the tears of our misery.
Where are we? We're here to see the people living here. Say hello to her. So big boy, do you want to play? You want to play?
Is it taking?
Alright. You're good. You're a good boy. Okay, so I just thought I should. But you can have a seat, please. You see, I wanted him to come see you before the final arrangements were made. My lawyer said the house will be ready in a few weeks to come. So we are actually on the transaction, which will be completed pretty soon.
I don't know what to say.
I wasn't expecting you to say anything.
I've been thinking, what if he doesn't like me? What if he doesn't like being taken to a new place with strange people?
Derek is a child, and I promise you he's going to get used to it. As you can see already, he's playing. That's something he never had. So don't worry about that.
And your father?
Well, my father doesn't know about it yet.
He wouldn't allow it.
My father can never act otherwise. The boy is biologically and legally mine. Okay? So don't worry about that. I mean, it's not a bad idea for me to bring him over to see the mother. I've never asked. What is your name?
Omasiri.
Omasiri. That's a beautiful name.
Hold on. Oh, yeah.
See, he's happy. You're happy already.
There shall be one less mouth to feed. When every rich man finds a friendship with the poor, and the poor could ride the horse to the hills, to every wishes of his heart. There shall be one less mouth to feed. When the field is level for everyone to till, and the labor through the time and the seasons bears the fruit for every laborer. So let's fix.
Get me the nanny. Fast.
Father, I will not take it.
Stop, Adugo. Stop! If this is true, then there must be more to it.
Father, she is a low-life scam. She's a whore. Father, she's just calling him.
Oh, be quiet, Adugo. I'm sure there is nothing between the both of them.
How do you know that?
Your Highness,
Where is Derek?
the prince went out with him this morning.
And he didn't tell you where they were going?
No, Your Highness.
No.
Okay, you may leave.
I said it, but you didn't believe me. I said it.
Go tell DK to get the car ready.
Yes, Your Highness.
You're coming with me.
Of course, Father.
Can you explain?
Explain what?
How dare you take him to that filthy whore? How dare you?
Izugo, you have no sense of decency.
Good.
I'm telling you, you don't even understand what your position is in this place.
Not at all.
You don't even know the difference between right and wrong.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, really? You talk about decency? You talk about what's right and wrong? You manipulated her by playing on her psyche.
That's a lie.
Oh, that's true, Father. You took the child away by capitalizing on her plight. You bought the child for a piece of necklace, Father. A piece of necklace. And you talk to me about right and wrong?
You lie again.
No, I'm not lying. I raped the girl, you punished me for it, and now I wish to atone for it by giving her back the fruits of my sins to right the wrong I did to her. Is it too much to ask?
Now you listen, let me break this down for you. Father has been taking care of that child since he was born. You cannot take him to that wretched whore. You cannot.
Enough. Don't worry about that, my dear sister. He's not going to live there. I am buying them a house.
No, you wouldn't do that.
But I would. The child is mine. Biologically, legally, he is my responsibility, Father, and his life is mine to order. And I bet the only place for her is with the mother. Shouldn't worry about that. By the month end, the arrangements has been made and they will be moving in. And there is nothing you can do about it, Father, or my dear sister.
Now you listen. I will not allow you take him to her. I would rather see him dead.
Now watch your tongue. You dare not call her a whore. Because you are worse than a whore. You are ruthless and heartless.
Enough! Enough! Step back.
Excuse me.
Father! Calm down. Adugo, calm down. What are we going to do about this?
Nothing.
Father, you said nothing? There must be something we can do about this. There must be a legal way we can do something about this.
The child belongs to him. He already has legal recognition for the child.
Then, Father, if there's nothing we can do legally, we can do something illegally.
No.
I can take the child.
No!
Then what are we going to do, Father? What?
If you calm down, you will hear what we will do.
Okay, I want to hear it.
We'll discuss this tomorrow. In the meantime, you're going to keep an eye on the little boy. And make sure that he doesn't leave this place. Secondly, if by any chance Izubu tries to carry out his threat, inform me at once. And we'll know what to do about it.
Now you! Stupid!
So the house is almost ready. I mean, before the month's run off, it's gonna be fully ready. So I don't mind if you come to the city with me, because I'll be going to the city pretty soon. At least to, take a look at the house and see what it looks like. You look troubled. Are you okay?
Now ask yourself a question. Have you ever known this kind do anything for people like you without expecting something in return? Ask yourself another question. Why will the prince, the heir to King Omenka, give you a son just like that? The same son he claimed legally. Why? But I will tell you. Because when you go into that house, he will have access to you. he can come in and go in anyhow he pleases. What would that make you? You will just be an ordinary mistress. Yes, that's what you will be.
It doesn't matter if I'm your mistress, as I've been called. A whore, a husband snatcher, just because of you. I can't even go far into the village without your wife watching me. A mistress, that is what she thinks of me. If I go to his house, I will have my son. If I go to yours, I won't. And I want my son. That would be a strange arrangement.
Hey, come on. There is nothing strange about it. I just want to make sure everything is settled before traveling back to London. I just make sure my son is fine. I mean, I can be able to see him anytime. So don't worry. The house is yours, alright? Fully equipped. And part of the reasons I want you to follow me to the city is signing the necessary documents concerning it. Okay? Please don't say no. I just want to make sure you guys are comfortable because I won't be coming here pretty soon. It will take months or years. Please.
Thank you.
So, it's a done deal. Thank you. So I will be coming to pick you up tomorrow. Okay. I'll be on my way. So I'll be on my way. See you tomorrow. Sorry. You've never asked me for my name. Would you want to know what my name is?
What is your name?
My name is Ezugonna, or you can call me Ezugo. Okay. See you tomorrow.
There shall be one less mouth to feed. When every rich man finds a friendship with the poor, and the poor could rise across to
The house is almost ready. I mean, before the months run off, it's gonna be fully ready. So I don't mind if you come to the city with me, because I'll be going to the city pretty soon. At least to, take a look at the house and see what it looks like. You look troubled. Are you okay?
Now ask yourself a question. Have you ever known this kind do anything for people like you without expecting something in return? Ask yourself another question. Why would the prince, the heir to King Omenka, give you a son just like that? The same son he claimed legally. Why? But I will tell you. Because when you go into that house, he will have access to you. He can come in and go in anyhow he pleases. What would that make you? You will just be an ordinary mistress. Yes! That's what you will be!
It doesn't matter if I'm your mistress, as I've been called. A whore! A husband snatcher, just because of you. I can't even go far into the village without your wife watching me. A mistress, that is what she thinks of me. If I go to his house, I will have my son. If I go to yours, I won't. And I want my son. that would be a strange arrangement.
Hey, come on. There is nothing strange about it. I just want to make sure everything is settled before traveling back to London. I just make sure my son is fine. I mean, I can be able to see him anytime. So don't worry. The house is yours, alright? Fully equipped. And part of the reasons I want you to follow me to the city is signing the necessary documents concerning it. Okay? Please don't say no. I just want to make sure you guys are comfortable because I won't be coming here pretty soon. It will take months or years. Please.
Thank you.
So, it's a done deal. Thank you. So I will be coming to pick you up tomorrow. Okay. I'll be on my way. So I'll be on my way. See you tomorrow. Sorry. You've never asked me for my name. Would you want to know what my name is?
What is your name?
My name is Ezugonna, or you can call me Ezugo. Okay. See you tomorrow.
There shall be one less mouth to feed. When every rich man finds a friendship with the poor, and the poor could ride a horse to hills.
Listen, Lucy. Forget about the bread, bacon, and all that stuff again this morning. We're just having coffee, okay? Yeah.
You must excuse me, Father. I'm a bit under the weather. I have to go somewhere.
That's okay.
Father, do you mind if I have DK drive me around today?
Unfortunately, DK is indisposed. You use Jeku instead, okay?
Alright, run along, tell Jeku to get ready, that we are leaving in an hour.
Yes, my friend.
Well, so?
Everything cool, Dad?
My prince, I overheard the king telling DK to get ready. This morning they are going out.
To get ready, they are going out?
Yeah.
Do you have idea where they are going to?
I don't know, my prince. I only saw some boxes inside the vehicle.
Okay. You have to drive out right now. Pull over at the corner, alright?
Okay, my prince.
When life throw you stone, no, carry a build house. If life pour you water, carry and bath clean. There's no problem in this world without a solution. There is no pain in this world
What happened?
They tried to take him away. If I hadn't suspected something fishy, they could have succeeded with that. So for the meantime, he will be staying here with you till I get your apartment ready in the next 2 weeks. Please,
What if?
don't let him out of your sight.
What if he sends the guards to come and get him?
I am going right away to one. Okay? So don't worry about that. Remember what I said. Stay close to him. Don't let him out of your sight. Okay? Good. Where are the children?
They have gone to the stream.
To the stream? Okay. I promise you next week there won't be stream to go for. Please take very good care of him.
Everything's gonna be fine. Just believe in
Very.
yourself.
See. Don't be like that. I'll see you once. Okay? I'll come around.
Wipe away every pain and misery from the places of confidence to the dwellings and slums. By the tears of all misery, tears of all misery, tears of all misery, tears of all misery. Alright. If life tries to turn up, carry and build house. And if life sets you on fire, I better remember gold. There is a process that every man must go through to fulfill your destiny. You must pass the stage now. I must relate. I must relate. I must relate. Whatever you bro. Let the rain from heaven wash away every tears and suffering. Tears and suffering. Ooh. Oh yeah.
Zero.
Derek is now with his mother. I want to make it clear to you. Should either of you attempt to take him away from his mother, harm her in any way, or her siblings, I will make this whole situation we're into right now look like a joke. And here is what I'm going to do. I will marry her. And quickly too, I will have her and her siblings moved into this palace. So think long and think hard. If you don't want that scum, that poverty-stricken whore, as a future queen. Because I swear to God, I am so going to do that. I am going to marry her. And I will count myself lucky having a beautiful woman in her natural splendor as my wife. I will groom her to the woman I want her to become. Good clothes can change her. I have gotten them an apartment and they will be moving in next week. So when they are settled, I shall return back to London. Until then, Father, I will avail myself of your hospitality so as to be close to my son.
Izugo, may I ask you of one thing? Bring the child back here, at least till the weekend. I can't bear the thought of having him stay in that place. That place is not habitable. Listen, I promise you that no one will take that child away from you. On my honor.
And I promise you too, Father. He will be fine. I mean, there are lots of kids bred there. And they are living fine. They are living well. But then, anytime you want to see your grandchild, you are so free to do so. Excuse me.
That conniving, manipulating, scheming, wretch! My baby's are you okay?
Being to hear the sound of the gunshot has been going on since morning. I am going to the palace for the king's hunting festival. Or is there any other thing you want to know?
No. I'm just wondering why go to the king's hunting festival without a gun. Well, if you'll be making a stop on your way just to say goodbye, saying she's moving to her new mansion in the city. Oh, you didn't know about that? She shouldn't hide this one from you. I didn't think she should, since you know everything about her business. The trouble one person can cause. Well, it wouldn't have been much trouble if it was someone of importance. And I guess you did not know what happened at the palace yesterday too. Oh, I'll tell you. You know, there was war at the palace yesterday. So much war. How the prince created a scene, stopping everybody from taking the child and, you know, fought everyone to a standstill. And off he went with the child. You know where? You know to where? His mother's. Just until the weekend, where they all come together and leave for the city. And you know the most interesting part. They said the house where they will live in the city is such a massive one, a big mansion with servants and all. Doesn't it sound like how they tell it in stories? From rags to the palace. You know, one more thing. The prince will be leaving too. You want to know where he's going? Huh?
Let's get out of my sight.
No. You don't want me out of your sight alone. You want me entirely out of your life.
I have known that for a very long time now. I see it in your eyes, Onochie. And then I ask myself, God, how did I ever let myself end up with you?
Because I am the only one who is poor and desperate enough to marry you.
No, you notice that.
Hey, If you try it, I will break this hand.
Now shut up. Shut your mouth up.
I warned you, but you didn't listen. I told you I was gonna kill you. But you never listened to me. No, shut up. Shut up.
Adugo. Adugo, don't.
I'm sorry.
Adugo, don't do that.
I told you that I was gonna kill her in it. I told you.
Adugo, please. Don't. Please. Please. Adugo, don't pull the trigger.
I'm sorry.
Adugo,
I'm sorry.
Stop. Oma! 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 Oma!
My prince. I'm sorry. Please take it easy on yourself. It wasn't your fault. What has happened has happened. It was an accident. It would have been normal. It's just unfortunate. Please, stay strong, please. I'm sorry.
Hold on. Oh, yeah. There shall be one less mouth to feed. Whenever rich man finds a friendship with the poor, and the poor could ride the horse to the hills, wherever wishes of his heart.
Let's go.
There shall be one less mouth to feed.
These are difficult We've had a great loss. This won't solve it. What exactly happened to your sister?
We at the master's hut. I met her holding a gun, pointing a gun at her. I tried to talk her out from doing that, but she refused. On trying to hold her hand, a scuffle ensued. And the bullet hit her. The bullet. Oh. What am I living for?
It is unfortunate. We lost her. There is nothing else we can do. Drinking, crying will not bring her back. All we have to do now is to prepare for her burial.
When together we unite to defeat every obstacle we face. Every challenge. When life throw you stone, no, carry and build house. If life pour you water, carry and bath clean. There's no problem in this world without a solution. There is no pain in this world without an inspired time. Don't cry now, my baby, don't cry now. Everything's gonna be fine. Just believe in yourself.
Take the over. Yes,
wipe away every pain and misery from the places of
Why?
He was missing home. I wouldn't be living this long.
Do you want to return them? I'd like you to give this to my son. He's the one who will decide whether to keep it or not.
I thought he has gone back.
Not until this evening. I must say that I am grateful for this act. I understand how hard this must have been for you. But it's okay. If there is anything you would have me do for you, or any of yours, please don't hesitate to let me know. I'm just a call away. Do you understand? If my son cannot make you accept this, then I'll see to it that our initial arrangement starts. Would you like to have any refreshment? I could have DK bring you something. Guard! Guard! Have my son Ezugo come to me now.
Yes, Your Highness. My prince, the king said you should come.
Tell him I'll join him shortly.
My prince, you should know that she has brought the young prince back.
Okay, I'm coming shortly. So, would you be kind enough to tell me why you changed your mind?
He wasn't happy. He misses home. He misses his grandfather. And he didn't even like me.
I don't think it's true. He can't possibly dislike you.
He did. And I couldn't bear it. He did. Not until this morning, when he found out he was coming home. You will leave him here. You won't try to send him to any other place.
Of course, I don't have anywhere else to send him to.
I wouldn't be needing this anymore.
Why? You need it.
No, I can't take it. It would be out of place for me. I wouldn't know what to do or how to cope. I would be in a strange place with strange people. Your father has promised me a monthly allowance. That would be enough for us.
How is Onoche?
He's well.
Can you tell him that I would want to see him, to repay him for all the good things he has been doing lately? And also, please, forgive me for all the wrong things I've done to you. I want to make things right again.
You can't blame yourself. Not anymore. Last night I thought about something my father used to say. He said, time makes the difference. So by this time next year, everything will be different. Thinking of it now, it wasn't you who started it. It was my brother. He came. It started from him teaching Izzy how to hunt in the king's land. Even though it was a king that started it, there was a reason for it. And it wasn't our parents' death, for we had starved when they were alive. But somehow it was hunger. Yes, hunger started it in the first place. If we all had enough to eat, all this wouldn't happen. What I'm saying is, I don't blame you for all that happened. I'm not sorry I had him. From the moment I held him in my arms, I looked upon him as a gift.
It's okay. You're one of a kind. And I'm glad knowing someone like you. Goodbye, Alma. But please, think of me kindly. Will you?
Always.
It's okay. It's okay.
Let's heal this sickening world. We can make it a better place for every man to have a chance.
Are you all right?
Yes, Your Highness. I'll be on my way now.
It's okay. The driver will take you.
Thank you, Your Highness.
There shall be one less mouth to feed. When the weak becomes allergic to defeat, and the strong becomes supportive to
I couldn't leave, knowing full well that you've been hurt yet again. And each time we meet, I inflict pain upon you. Please, allow me to make things right again. Forgive me. Forgive me, Alma. Please.
I have forgiven you. I have.
Then, will you marry me? Please. Marry me, Alma. Let me be there for you.
What if I say yes? I won't be able to fit into your status. You'll be ashamed of me.
No. I won't be ashamed of you. I will be the envy of every man.
I don't know how to carry myself as a royal.
You speak from your heart. And you use your words well. You've carried yourself with so much grace and dignity. Even the royals can't match that. I'm taken by you.
Your father, what would he say?
Believe his words. Women like you are hard to find. Do not let a good one slip away. And you have already won his heart the way you did mine.
The prince, he has asked me to marry him.
What did you tell him? I mean, what answer did you give to him?
I don't know what to say.
You should say yes.
You're not
sad? Heartbroken? Angry? Of course my heart is broken. I am angry at myself for not fighting so hard for what I want. But at this point, there is nothing I can do about it. Fate has made it so. This is your destiny. Whatever happened because of a day like this.
Mom, I didn't hear you.
Of course you won't. You have been sitting here for long. What are you thinking of?
Mama, it's about the dream I had. I've had it a long time ago. I was in a very big house, dressed like a princess. There were servants. I was happy, so happy. Then I go to sleep every night, hoping that the dream would come back. But it never did. Until last night, I dreamt of it again. It was beautiful. So beautiful. Then I woke up, only to realize that it's a dream. Just a dream.
When life throw you stone, no, carry and build house. If life pour you water, carry and bath clean. There's no problem in this world without a solution. There is no pain in this world without an inspired time. Don't cry now, I beg you, no cry now. Everything's gonna be fine. Just believe in yourself.
Wow. You're beautiful. Has anyone ever told you how beautiful and wonderfully created. God has made you, Your Majesty.
You should go. Your father is waiting.
Oh, come on. I don't care. The only thing that matters to me right now is being in your arms. I love you so much, Omasi.
I love you too.
That every man must go through to fulfill your destiny.
You're just the best thing that has ever happened to me.
I must relate. I must relate. Whatever you, bro. Like the rain from heaven, wash away every tears and suffering. Tears and suffering. Oh yeah. I must relate. I must relate. Whatever you measure. Let the tears of this innocent child wipe away every pain and misery from the places of opulence to the dwellings and slums, by the tears of all misery, tears of all misery, tears of all misery, tears of all misery. Hold on. Oh yeah. Ooh, na, 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 na. Na, 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 na. There shall be one less mouth to feed when every rich man finds a friendship with the poor, and the poor could ride the horse to the hills, to every wishes of his heart. Na, 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 na. There shall be one less mouth to feed when the field is level for everyone to till, and the labor through the time and the seasons bears a fruit for every laborer. So let's fix this broken world. Let's heal this open wound. Putting love in every heart, building life in every home.